Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about prime factorization. So what is prime factorization? Let us first discuss the meaning. Suppose we have a number say 12. Okay. So 12 can be written as 1 into 12. It can be written as 2 into 6. Okay. Or it can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Can't we write it like this also? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Okay, so here since we've written 12 in this way, 1 and 12, 1 into 12, so 1 and 12 are the factors of 12. Again here 2 into 6 is 12, so 2 and 6, they are the factors of 12. In this case also 2 into 2 into 3, which is 12, 2, 2 and 3 are the factors of 12. Okay, so now you notice one thing. In this case, as 1 and 12 are the factors, is 12 a prime number? Answer is no. Out of these two, is 6 a prime number? No. Here we have one prime number, but 6 is not a prime number. But in this case, we can see that 2, 2, 3 all are prime numbers. So this becomes somewhat special. Okay. If we take another example of say 8, 8 can be written as 1 into 8, can be written as 2 into 4, or it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, in this case 8 is not prime number, in this case 4 is not prime number, although 1, 8, 2, 4 all are the factors of 8, but in this case we can see 2, 2 and 2 all are prime. Okay, so 8 is written in the form of product of prime, so this becomes somewhat special, and that special thing is only called prime factorization, where all the factors are prime number. That is why it is called prime factorization. Okay, it is called prime factorization. Okay, now suppose these are smaller numbers. Suppose a bigger number is given, say 36. Now how to find the prime factor? How do we know that 2 into 2 into 3 into what will be 36? So that becomes a question. Okay, for that we apply two methods. Okay, so for prime factorization of any number we apply two methods, and these two methods are methods. One is factor tree method, and the second one is division method. By using these two methods we will do prime factorization. Okay, and before discussing these two methods, let me be clear that we should have a clear concept about the divisibility rules that we studied earlier, prime numbers, and the concept of short division. Okay, these three things we need to know before proceeding further. What are the three things? First thing is divisibility rules. Second thing is concept of prime numbers, and third one is short division. Okay, these three concepts should be clear to you. Divisibility rule we have studied in our last class, and concept of prime number and short division we have discussed today only. Okay, So let us first discuss factor tree method and how to find prime factors using factor tree method. Let us take this example only, 36. Okay, so take 36 and give two lines like this. Okay, and start with the smallest prime number. Which is the smallest prime number? 2. So see whether 36 is divisible by 2 or not. If it is yes, okay, then write 2. We know that 36 is divisible by 2 because we have 6 here. So 2 into what will be 36? Okay, you can apply short division here. 36, 2, 1s are 2, remainder 1, 16, 2 8s are 16. Okay, so 2 into 18 will be 36. In this way, short division becomes very much helpful rather than going for long division. Okay, in this case, short division saves our time. So we have taken the first smallest prime number and 36 is divisible by 2. So 2 18s are 36. Again, keep this 2. We'll circle it with red. Okay, because it is a prime number. Then come to 18. Take the smallest prime number 2. 18 is divisible by 2. Okay, we write 2. 2 into what will be 18? Okay, we know that 2 9s are 18. Again, we circle this 2 with red because it is a prime number. Then come to 9. Okay, so take the smallest prime number 2. Is 9 divisible by 2? No. Is 9 divisible by 3? The second smallest prime number, after 2 comes 3. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. So we write 3 into 3. Okay, 2 into 18, 2 into 9, it is 3 into 3. So since 3 and 3 both are prime numbers, we circle them. Okay, so hence we get our prime factors. So we write prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is the prime factorization of 36 and this method is called factor tree method. Okay, let us take another example. Say 24. Okay, so we'll start with the smallest prime number 2 and 24 is divisible by 2, so we'll take 2. 2 into what will be 24? 2 into 12 is 24. Okay, here we get our first prime factor. Then 12 divided with 2. 2 into 6 will be 12. Circle 2. Then have 6. 2 into 3 is a 6. 2 3 is a 6. Always remember, in this part we have to try with the smallest prime number. Again, when you reach out here, again we have to start again with the smallest prime number. If it doesn't work with 2, go for 3. If it doesn't go for 3, don't go for 4. This 4 is not prime number. Okay, so go for 5, then 7 accordingly. Okay, so here our prime, so just keep the product symbol. Okay, prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is our prime factorization of 24 by factor tree method. This method is called, factor tree. Okay, now we'll discuss division method. Okay, so let's take a number, say 45, and we have to find the prime factors of 45. Then what we will do, we'll start doing short division. Okay, we'll do short division. Here our short division comes in handy. Okay, it will be helpful. So let's see the smallest prime number. Say 2. Is 45 divisible by 2? No, because we have 5 here, which is an odd number. So is 45 divisible by 3? How to find out? 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 comes in the table of 3. So yes, 45 is divisible by 3. So we divide it by 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. That becomes 15. 3 5s are 15. And again, try 15 by 2. Is 15 divisible by 2? No. We cannot divide 15 by 2. So we try with 3. Yes, we know. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. The moment we get a prime number here, we stop. Therefore, 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5, which is the prime factorization. Okay, this is prime factorization. Okay, so let's take another number, say 60. Okay, so let's divide 60 by 2. Is it divisible? Yes, it has 0 here. So 2 divided by 2 divide 60. How much? 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0. It becomes 30. Is 30 divisible by 2? We'll take the smallest prime number. By 2 means we take the smallest prime number. So yes, 30 is divisible by 2. So divide by 2. 2 15s are 30. Okay, you can do it in this way also. 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So it's 10. 2 5s are 10. So it becomes 15. Now 15 is divisible by 2? No. 15 is divisible by 3. So 3 into 5, 15. And we get a prime number here. Okay. So we stop. So therefore we write 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So that is our prime factorization. So this is our division method of finding prime factors, which is a lot more easier than the factor tree method. Okay. Thank you.